Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I have some more farmhouse home decor DIYs. I think these turned out beautiful. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items. This is also in collab with my friend Lini from Crafting with Lini. I will have her information down in the description box, so you can definitely go check her out and show her some love. She is so sweet and so talented. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. These are the materials I will be using for this DIY. I'm using 4 of the Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards, 2 paint stir sticks, and this Dollar Tree pencil holder. I'm going to start by removing the plastic from all 4 of the bamboo cutting boards, and I'm going to line them up. Now I am going to make a space in between each one of them, and I'm using some dowels as spacers. Then I'm going to use the Dollar Tree wood glue and a little bit of hot glue to glue the paint stir sticks right on top. I'm going to remove the dowels and flip it around. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to paint the pencil holder using this white spray paint. And I'm going to paint the boards using the Waverly Antique Wax. I'm going to add a little bit of water, and then before it dries, I'm going to use a wet napkin and remove some of that paint just to make it a little bit lighter. And look how beautiful this color is. Now you can add whatever you want to the sign. What I'm adding is the word home, and I'm using these Hobby Lobby stickers that I already had. As you can see, I already used some of them, so I didn't have all the letters I needed. So what I decided to do is use the little sticker part as a stencil instead. So to do that, I'm going to cut them individual. Then I am going to remove the sticker part and place the letter in each board. I am only doing the H, M, and E. Once I had all the letters, then I started to paint them, and I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in white. Once I had finished, I just removed the stencil before it dried. That is because I didn't want it to get stuck to it. I then went ahead and finished the rest of the letters. Look how beautiful it's already looking. Now to finish this off, I'm going to add the little pencil holder, and this is going to work as the O. Now the best part about this DIY is that you can use this all year round by just switching the greenery. I felt that the pencil holder was too plain, so I decided to add some of the Dollar Tree leather ribbon and a tiny burlap bow. And that is it for this home decor sign. I think it turned out beautiful. Now to hang it to the wall, I did add some sawtooth hooks to the back. My next DIY is very simple and easy to do. Now from Dollar Tree, I grabbed one of these plastic containers. They were on the wedding section, and I spray painted this using the white paint. Next, I'm going to add some of the leather ribbon all around the top just to hide the little curvy details at the top. And that is it. Now you can use this all year round by switching the greenery. I think it turned out beautiful, and what I love the most is that it's a very tall planter. For my next DIY, even though I didn't use anything Dollar Tree related besides the score sticks, you can still find one of these circle plaques at Dollar Tree, and beads, but the ones I'm using are from Amazon and Hobby Lobby. I'm going to start by making the little legs. Now to do that, I'm going to put the small bead first and then cut the score stick, so like that I can add the larger bead. The small bead is from Amazon. It is 20 mm, and the larger bead is from Hobby Lobby. And I only use hot glue to glue these, but you can use E6000 or wood glue. Now once I am done with all 4 legs, I'm going to start gluing them to the circle. I forgot to mention that the circle is from Walmart, but like I said, Dollar Tree carries wood circles you can use instead. Now the next thing I will be doing is just painting this using the Waverly Antique Wax. And that is it for this little riser. I think it turned out beautiful. You can use it as a plant riser or as a tier tray. For my next DIY, I'm going to use another of the Dollar Tree bamboo cutting boards, and this little plaque that I had, I removed it from a Dollar Tree frame. So I'm going to start by removing the "This Is Us." I did try to remove it careful, but it still broke. Now once I am done doing that, I'm going to start painting these. The cutting board, I'm going to paint it using the Waverly Antique Wax, and the small little sign, I'm going to paint it using some white chalk paint. Now once everything was dry, I started to put it together. I am using the little "This Is Us." Even though it broke, I'm going to glue it together. And I'm going to add some of this Walmart greenery by tying it together with a bow in the center. It looks like I don't have the footage where I glued everything down on the board, but all I did was just use hot glue to glue "This Is Us" and the greenery. Now I'm going to add these little clips, so like that I can add a picture of my family. Next, I'm going to glue the board to the other side using Jenga blocks. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. Don't forget to go check out Crafty Lini. I'll have her information down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.